Mlaen gan Clac, Lyfridge I mewn tu ôl yr amddiffyn. Lyfridge! O, a draws wyneb gol ac allan am gic gornel. Yr arbediad gan Alex Lang. Y bas yn berffaith gan Joe Clac o'r cefn yn hollti'r amddiffyn. Lyfridge tu ôl ac yna am gol. Ond yr arbediad yn wych gan Lang. O, dyna gêm adre lle mae Llanelli wedi cael mwy o'r feddiant ac unrhyw gêm arall. A maen nhw'n gwneud defnydd da o'r meddiant yna fyd. Jones, heibio I McCarthy. Yna at Lyfridge, cyfle gwych, Bale yn gwyro! O, gaddi ar y linell gan Dylan Rhys yn wirthiol. Wel, Chris Jones yn curo I ddyn, yn bwydo Lyfridge, y Bale yn gwyro, heibio I Lang. Ond Dylan Rhys yn clirio gyda'i drod dde. Bas ymlaen at Lyfridge. Ac mae'r Bale yn torri'n gyrraedd Lyfridge eto! A Lang yn arbed yn rhyfeddol. Lyfridge mewn ar gol. Dyle wedi wneud yn well. Injo wedi darllen hi, ond Injo wedyn yn cyflwyno'r Bale I Met. Bale yn torri'n garedig I Elliot Evans. 3 yn disgwyl am y croesiad yn y canol. Elliot Evans yn croesi! O'r peniad heibio'r postyn gan Sam Snaith. Nath Rosgrow godi, Snaith oedd y cyrffyddiad ola a heibio'r postyn. Trydian Morgan yr eilydd ar tafliad hir tuag at Baker. Baker yn codi, mae'n y gyffyrddiad, ac yna Owen! Ac mae Owen wedi gosod ergyd trod chwith rhwng coesau Oliver Davies. Mae e mor greulon ar Llanelli ac Harry Owen sydd yn manteisio I ergyd isel trod chwith yn gwasgu heibio I Oliver Davies. Unrhyw le y tro i'r Met, 4 munud yn weddill. Y camgymeriad yn cyflwyno'r Bale I Harry Owen. Owen yn cael ei dynnu lawr gan Scott Tancock. Tancock, paliw fydd y cerdyn, ac mae'n goch am yr eildro y tymor hwn. Mae Scott Tancock yn cael ei hel o'r maes. A mae pethau mynd o ddrwg I wath I Scott Tancock, I Llanelli ac I Andy Hill a'i dîm. Elliot Evans. O, hyfryd gan Elliot Evans! Yn selio'r fuddugoliaeth yn gampus I Met Caerdydd. Rhagorol gan Elliot Evans. Llanelli dim, Met Caerdydd 2. A mae yna gyfle gwych fan hyn am drydedd. Ac Harry Owen sydd yno, ond yn wirthiol mae'r Bale yn cael ei chlirio ar y linell. Chris Jones yn y fan ar lle. Tafliad hir, does dim camp sefyll yn erbyn Rosgrow. Rosgrow, ydy yn mynd I hun, ydy wir. A mae Oliver Davies yn arbed, a fe fydd Elliot Evans yn benwan. Adam Rosgrow mewn ar gol, 1 yn erbyn 1 gydag Elliot Evans yn rhydd i'r chwith. Yn dewis mynd I hunan, ac Oliver Davies yn arbed.
You have to play a 94-minute game in this league and you have to play conditions, and where we thought we could play out first half, we got caught second half. We just thought we'd play the weather, play them into channels, pin them in, pick on certain individuals, and that's what we did. And we scored second week running with an ugly goal off a long throw. And then we scored at the end from a fantastic typical Elliot Evans type goal.
Well, in terms of the performance this evening, you've got to be able to take the positives, because you probably had more possession tonight than you have in any of the games that you've played so far in the 10.
Yeah, definitely. Make no mistake about it. The game should have been out of sight by half time. We should be 4-0 up at half time. The game should be dead and buried. Their keepers had a really great day. We put them on form, and we've conceded a scrappy, ugly goal. And that's football. You don't get what you deserve out of football. I thought we were much better, the better side. And today is a hard one to take, and with the sending off at the end, it's just so frustrating. That the players keep digging their own players out by getting sent off all the time. It's something we need to look long and hard at.
A third of the season gone, 5 wins, 5 defeats. How do you weigh up the Met where you are now?
I think the Met, with the young players that we've had out, have been fantastic. People have criticised us, yet I think that takes us into the top 6 tonight, so not a bad criticism. When you get Will Fuller back, when you get Bradley Woolridge back, who'll be in for the next game, Adam Roscoe's now back, Charlie Coulsby's back. we're back to Cardiff Met of old. But it's down to us then, myself as the manager, to make sure that we are back to Cardiff Met of old. And tonight's game puts a nice baseline down for us to make sure that we go to Druids ready to perform and take another 3 points.
How frustrating is it when you look at your team, you know, you go down to 10 men, I think that's the 5th red card of the season. It must be really difficult for you as a manager. Have you got a discipline problem here?
That's what we've just talked about in there. That's our 5th red card in 10 games. You know, and the same boys getting sent off, so you know they're suspended for 4 games now. With the injuries today, I honestly don't know if we'll have 11 players next week.